Hey everyone, it's Sue. I just wanted to talk to you this morning about Operation Christmas Child and how we can all still get involved. Due to the COVID-19 restrictions this year, we've been unable to distribute the cardboard boxes that we have done in the past, which allowed you to go and fill a cardboard box full of goodies to send overseas to lots of underprivileged kids. This year, Samaritan's Purse have come to the rescue and have given us an alternative to be able to still provide that joy to millions of children around the world. And here's how. They've suggested and have enabled an online shoebox, whereby if you donate $30 and add a message to a child, they will pack on your behalf a shoebox and send it to a child. It's really easy to get involved, so if you Google Samaritan's Purse or Operation Christmas Child, or even click on the link that will appear down below on YouTube for today's service, you will be able to gain access to the website. Once you're there, click on the Pack a Shoebox online link and you'll be taken to this page where you'll be able to start. Once you start, you'll see that there are a few options where you can pick boy or girl from a various number of different age groups. And once you click on one, it will show you the items that will be packed for you and sent to a child. Once you've picked your option of boy, girl and the age group, click on next and it will take you to a page where you will be able to put a personal note just to engage with the child and let them know that they're loved and to spread the hope that you are giving them. If you'd like to pack another box, simply pick yes, pack another box and then continue. Otherwise, just proceed to payment and use your credit card. It's really, really simple. So I hope you guys will get on board with this Samaritan's Purse initiative. We still need to love and care for each other, even though COVID has come and turned our lives upside down. We in Australia have been very, very lucky not to have been as severely affected by as other countries have, and I'm sure a lot of the children in various parts of the world that these Operation Christmas Child gifts go to have been quite impacted this year. So it would be a great blessing to be able to get as many online gifts as possible done, so as many children as possible can receive a gift in probably what was one of the most hardest years of their lives. So I do encourage that. We've done it for our family and I encourage you to do it for yours. That's all from me today. I am going to see the kids at 10:30 for our last Zoom meeting for this term, and I will see the rest of you next term in a couple of weeks after the school holidays. Bye.